Hello teachers and dear students. Christmas is a magical festival, a time for love, sharing, kindness, and joy. If you want simple and meaningful Christmas assembly ideas, you are in the right place. Let's explore 10 wonderful ideas. Idea 1: A Christmas Secret Santa. Write all students and the teachers' names on chits. Each student picks one chit and gives a surprise gift to that person on Christmas. This teaches the joy of giving quietly. Idea 2: Santa Claus Surprise. Santa enters, smiling and waving. He shares a message about love and sharing, then distributes sweets to students, teachers, and staff. Idea 3: Christmas Crib Skit. A Christmas crib is on stage. Students act as angels, shepherds, and wise men. A narrator tells the story of Jesus' birth. This reminds everyone of peace, love, and the spirit of giving. Idea 4: Christmas Dance. Students perform a lively dance on jingle bells or Christmas music. Festive costumes like red and white dresses or Santa caps. The hall fills with energy, smiles, and holiday joy. Idea 5: Church Visit Reflection. Students visit a nearby church before Christmas. They share their reflections on peace, harmony, and understanding. This encourages respect for all faiths and togetherness. Idea 6: Woolen Clothes Distribution. Students collect sweaters and shawls for helpers, guards, and staff. Small acts of kindness bring big happiness and warmth. Idea 7: Christmas Fashion Show. Students walk on stage as Santa, angels, reindeer, or snowmen. Each costume's meaning is explained. This encourages creativity, confidence, and festive excitement. Idea 8: Christmas Carol Assembly. Students sing 2 or 3 Christmas carols. Popular songs include Silent Night or We Wish You a Merry Christmas. The hall fills with joyful voices and holiday cheer. Idea 9: Christmas Movie Time. Students watch a short animated Christmas movie or moral story. They share what they learned. This activity is fun, relaxing, and full of festive wonder. Idea 10: Christmas Drawing Competition. Students draw Christmas-themed pictures. Topics include trees, Santa, nativity scenes, or symbols of peace. The best drawings are displayed. This encourages creativity and happiness. These were 10 simple, meaningful, and heartwarming Christmas assembly ideas. Let's celebrate Christmas by spreading joy, smiles, and happiness. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas!